Hi everyone, welcome to Disney Sisters Knitting Podcast, and today is a yarn haul from Stephen and Penelope, and this year on the 26th of December is the start of the Hyber Knit Along. So June and I decided that we were going to take part this year, weren't we?
Yep.
So we purchased that, and I purchased some yarn for the waffle stitch sweater. So we got a nice big box, a big box, and so I'll show you.
Fix your dress.
Oh, sorry.
Flashing your thighs.
Oh, sorry guys. So that is what I've ordered the yarn for, and you know I love. I used punk rock unicorn. Punk rock unicorn. I love this. It's so soft, but it's quite bouncy. It blooms as you work with it. So that's the sweater we're both going to do, aren't we?
Yes.
And so this nice big box came for us. Excuse me. So the colour I picked, if I bring it here, I think that's about the nearest colour, isn't it, June?
Mm-hmm.
And it is called Soul DK Creamsicle. So instead of icicle, it's creamsicle. And I got 5 of these. And can you tell what I mean when I say it's it's like a tonal, isn't it?
Yeah, it's got like peaches and creams and.
So I got all them.
So it's like a nice cream, isn't it?
Yeah,
Lovely.
yeah.
Beautiful.
So I got them
Very
for
soft.
the waffle sweater.
Isn't this what my grey is?
Yes.
My grey is this, isn't it?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah. And then when you bought the Hyber Knit Along pattern or the kit, one of the kits, you got a code for the ebook, because he always does an ebook. So I bought some of the West Wall in grey. What colour is this? Oh, this is called a Dutch Sky, which I thought was quite apt.
I thought that was one of ours for our
what?
monastery.
No, it's all
I
right.
was quite excited there. I thought that was my part of mine.
No, we will see yours. So I got this because I got the grey because I thought it would go with some of the my other yarns, you know, because he's got hats and whatever. So I thought this could go, because it's 229 yards, which is equivalent to, well, 2 of them is the same as 1 finger weight yarn, which is 400 meters, and these are 210. So I'd get 2 projects with them.
Very nice.
Well, I would get 2 of them for you.
Yeah.
For a hat.
Yeah. Oh, so they're mine.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
I'm good like that, you know. So yeah.
I love this.
This is, do you know, beautiful. I always have trouble with mohair, but because this has got silk in it, I'm not having any trouble. It doesn't affect my hands. I mean, I used it on this one and that. So yeah, so we've got them, and they're for me waffle blanket. So when I ordered, I said, I placed an order for both June and I emailed them and I said, look, I put an order in for 2 kits. One's for my sister and one's for me. I said it's not one person ordering 2 kits. So, you know, what you get in the kits, you know, you need to make sure that you give us 2 of each. So we got, that's yours. This is mine. So we've got...
We sell these in our shop.
Do you?
Something like this.
Oh, warm it up on your cup. Oh, it's a caramel. Look at that, oh June, that'd be nice. Oh, we've just had a cappuccino as well. It would have been really nice with that, wouldn't it? And then, oh, look at that. Yeah, we've got a snowflake template, which is for your needle sizes. And then we've got a cup, Hibernate. Isn't that brilliant?
That's lovely, that.
So nice cups, aren't they?
Yeah, blue, my favourite colour.
Yeah, I know.
Beautiful.
So that's what we got with the kit. It's nice, isn't it?
Very nice.
You know, because usually when you've got your, I use circular needles and whatever, and interchangeable, and sometimes the size comes off, so it's always handy to have one in your bag. Then we got a signed copy of the Hibernate Along shawl.
Is this the pattern?
Yeah,
Okay.
Glow Hair Frost shawl, and it's signed for us by Stephen West. Isn't that brilliant?
I like the look of this.
Yeah. Yeah. So what do you think? Annie's got our favourite sweater on as well, the Brian 8.
I know.
So yeah, so we're really, really happy with that. Yay! And then
Beautiful.
oh, look at that!
Oh, I like that. Oh,
And you got the mohair to go with the yarn.
oh. She said to me, which colours do you want? And I said, surprise me. Oh, I made up with that.
So it is West Wool, which is Stephen's own yarn. So
Oh, the tricycle.
yeah. So I have got this is West Wool Tricycle 100% superwash merino. This colour is tangerine, so this is one of my colours, and I've got the tangerine mohair to go with it. Then the next one is cardamom, I think it is.
Yeah, it is cardamom.
Yeah, and I've got the mohair to make blend with that. And last is chestnut.
I like that colour.
That is gorgeous, isn't it?
I'm sure,
Chestnut.
haven't I got that kind of colour for that other jumper?
Oh yeah.
The one that we got the yarn for while we were there.
Yeah, which is a secret, which
Yeah.
because I've got mine down there.
You nearly opened your mouth the other day about
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah. So they're my three colours. I've just told
They're
you.
lovely then.
Just hold the three colours together so you can
They're
see.
really nice then.
So I'm really. I mean, I know purple is my favourite colour, but I think after doing that, I thought, do you know what? I'm gonna step outside my comfort zone and just go for something totally different. So I'm really pleased with them, and the mohair as well. Oh, can't wait to start.
Glittering snow. Is it glittering snowflake?
Yeah,
Sure. I did it in the beige and browns, didn't I?
yeah.
And then this one that I'm doing now, that was still on clue 3.
Oh yeah, the what's the name?
I've done that in green and grey, haven't I?
Yeah. Yeah, you have. But that is like, there, do you want to show yours now?
Yeah. Yeah, I will. So mine are
Sorry for the crinkle.
blue spruce.
That's nice. And it's finger weight, guys, 218 yards, 200 metres.
With the glow hair to match. Nice.
Yeah.
And then I've mixed them all up.
No, that gets
That one.
Yeah.
Then the next one is called Sea Mist.
That is lovely. that is.
Beautiful. It's tricycle. I think I got bicycle. We got bicycle, didn't?
Yeah, we got bicycle, because bicycle's a DK.
Yeah, bicycle. And then there's the Sea Mist for the glow hair.
So soft this yarn,
it's
Julie,
beautiful.
isn't it?
Yeah. And then the next one is called Glass.
Oh, I like that. That
It's
is
lovely, that.
gorgeous.
So is this finger and weight, is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Tricycle's finger weight,
Bicycles double knit.
bicycle's DK.
And then there's the glass in the glow hair to go with it. Isn't that beautiful?
So you hold
Lovely.
yours up. You hold them up like that. Oh, yeah, I'll get one of each. Yeah.
Look at them. Aren't they gorgeous?
That's a lovely fade as well, isn't it?
Yeah, that's going to be so nice.
Oh, it is. It can be absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, and the pattern's beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
Mm. And does he tell you where to put the glow?
Oh, yeah, he tells you all through.
Oh, that's beautiful. Sorry about the big clip.
Yeah. So that is our little haul from Stephen West. So
lovely.
we hope that your preparations for big day for Christmas is well underway now.
This time next week will be Boxing Day.
I know, yeah. And next week, next Thursday, June isn't coming here, which will be, we're going to June's Sun for Boxing Day. So that'll be nice for us.
Yeah.
And and then a week, well, was it 2 weeks
today? 2 weeks today, it's New Year's Day.
Wednesday's New Year's Day, so it'll be the 2nd of January in 2 weeks.
Be 2025.
I know. Where's this year gone?
Yeah.
Really gone.
Yep.
Very, very quickly.
Yeah.
But we hope you all have a lovely, lovely Christmas.
Yeah.
I think we'll have one more video.
Yeah, on Sunday we're doing one, aren't we?
Sunday we're doing the Advent week 3, and then on the following Sunday we'll do
the last one,
like Advent 4, and then coming up next year there'll be one video a month and a couple of shorts here and there, and that because we got so that's what we're going to do next year.
Yeah.
And we've still got lots of things to show, so we'll have that. And then the first video in January will be what we've done in December, what we've managed to achieve in December, isn't it?
Which isn't much.
Well, it is for me.
Oh, well, it is for Linda, but it's not for me.
Yeah, I've finished I finished 3 wearables so far this month, and a cowl.
I'll have one top and one scarf.
Yeah, but you work, don't you? I don't. So, and you've been making the bags, haven't you, for our craft fairs and whatever. So, yeah, so we've been doing that.
Yep.
And keep an eye out in the new year on our Disley Sisters Facebook page, because we're going to
have a sale
of the bags that are left over from this year, because June's coming up with a couple of new designs next year, aren't you?
Yeah.
So in February we'll have some new designed bags.
And some old ones.
And some of the old ones, like the Disley bag, that is our all-time.
And our totes.
And the totes, yes. So we'll have a couple still remaining, but we'll have some new style. The same names, but different styles.
Yeah.
So, that's all from us for today. Thank you so much for watching, for liking, for subscribing. Welcome to all the new subscribers. We hope you all have
an amazing Christmas.
Yes.
And that the big guy brings you loads of prezzies.
Yeah, definitely.
And treat you well.
Yeah. And for those of you who are on your own, because we know there's quite a few of you on your own, we send you all our love and big squishy hugs.
Yep.
So we'll see you all on Sunday, I think.
Yeah,
on Sunday before Christmas, then Sunday after Christmas. So take care, everybody. Stay safe, but more importantly, be kind to you. And we will see you in the next video.
Bye, everyone. Have a lovely Christmas.